to have that kind of result they are looking for, they need that kind of faith in whoever the instructor is. Bhakti is also proportionate to our faith. Hearing can go on, wonderful, but hearing, even for a very short period of time, then can bring such a tremendous change within us if our faith is big. By this time, with whatever we have heard, if our faith is big, it would bring a lot of change, so much of change, directly proportional. Because when the faith is big, everything else automatically happens. That's the beauty and the potency of faith. And it would actually bring the practice so quickly if the faith is big. It is like this, Shrinvatam, from ear to the heart, and then that's it, to the hands. So that is a great deciding factor. The potency of faith is very big. Very big. Very, very big. That I wanted to mention. Yes, and of course the rest of the steps. Honesty. Yeah, honesty comes at this part, at the part of what is my faith? How much is my faith? To what I am hearing? From whom I am hearing? Because faith is directly proportional to the result. So there, the honesty, we can check ourselves. The faith there, how thin or how thick is my faith? My chastity. And also there, honesty of, yes, I have heard it. I have introspected, yes. And next thing is the determination. Yes, introspection was done. Introspection is done. But after the introspection, to get into the practice, Pranatascha Swacheshritam is a big thing. That's where the modes break. For that, we need determination. Because the modes are breaking and it's not going to be easy. And there, determination plus patience. These two are the key factors there. Patience. Determination and patience. Rupa Goswami says that. Those three. Utsaha, Nishchaya, Dhairyat. Dhairyat and Utsaha, Nishchaya. Patience here, in very practical terms, it is like this, dear devotees. When the change is happening with us, when the modes are breaking, we have to be patient with ourselves and with others around. In other words, kind to ourselves, kind to others. That's in a very practical, productive sense, patience is that. Kind. Yes, I am trying, and I want to be kind to myself. I want to pat on my back for trying this mustard drop, at least today. For even thinking about it, and even for attempting, I want to be kind to myself. And as much as we are being kind to ourselves, dear devotees, we will start to be being kind to others also. That will also happen. So patience is equal to being kind to ourselves, which will reflect as being kind to others. Determination here means continuing to be kind to ourselves and others. Determined to be kind to ourselves and others again and again until this heart becomes soft. That's the kind of determination. In a practical and in a positive and in a very, I would say, encouraging perspective. Otherwise, we tend to think determination is no matter what, I will push. It's good. That is also good. But when we break it down, for that, no matter what, I will push. But when we come to the bottom of this, yes, I am trying. This is very wonderful. And yes, I want to continue doing it. That is the other version of determination that can make us want to do the things, which would translate to determination. We will automatically want to do the things when we are being kind and encouraging to ourselves for every bit of what we are trying towards Krishna. Then continuing that is translating to determination. So that is there. Yeah. Thank you all, dear devotees. I think we will have to pause here now.
So, Mataji, you are actually saying Pratyaksha-avagamam dharmyam susukham kartum abhyay.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. Thank you. Yes.
Thanks,
Beautiful.
Mataji.
That's yeah. All this explanation is that is for that line in that verse. Pratyaksha-avagamam dharmyam susukham kartum avyayam. Please pat yourself on your back. Please hug your inner child. To sukham, and then experience it. Pratyaksha-avagamam, and it will manifest outside. This is avyayam, infallible. Yes. Yes, Manoj. Okay, well, pause here. Am I audible, Prabhu?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yes.